In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam is currently in offline mode. Seeing that banner usually means Steam can't verify your connection, so we'll walk through a quick sequence that takes you from basic checks to reliable fixes. Start with your internet. Open any web browser and visit a site like speedtest.net to confirm you're actually online and that latency and download speeds look normal. If pages stall, power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds and plugging them back in, then wait until the lights stabilize. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily. An unstable or rerouted connection is one of the most common reasons Steam forces itself into offline mode. Next, restart Steam completely so we clear any stuck background process. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. On the Processes tab, find anything named Steam, including Steam.exe and Steam Client Web Helper. Select them, and choose End Task. Give it a few seconds so everything closes, then relaunch Steam from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. This fresh start often shakes off temporary glitches that block online services. Once Steam is open, try switching it to online manually. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Go Online. If Steam asks to restart or refresh, let it do so. If the option is grayed out or it flips back to offline, move on to the next step. Clear the download cache, which can get corrupted and interfere with online authentication. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache. Confirm when prompted. Steam will restart and you may need to sign in again. After logging back in, check whether the offline banner is gone. Finally, make sure Windows isn't blocking Steam. Open Control Panel, go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall, and choose Allow an app through Firewall. Find Steam.exe in the list and allow it on the networks you use. When that's set, close Steam, right-click the Steam application, and select Run as Administrator. Elevated permissions can help Steam update itself, reach required services, and store settings correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching.